Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2013 Tesla Model S on this vehicle. I'm going to show you where the main fuse boxes are if you need to access them. So number one, we've got three different fuse boxes that are inside the engine bay compartment, or what we typically would call the engine bay. This one is, we have two that are right here, and we have one that's back over there. And so there is that plastic piece here that you would remove and just pop that out, and then you'll gain access to the two fuse box panels here. All right, so we have a fuse cover here to remove with some different fuses and relays. Anytime you replace a fuse, make sure that you replace it with the same exact size that you remove from the fuse panel. So that's one fuse box. And then we have another one over right next to it. And the same thing. We got some larger fuses here, a couple relays, and then another assortment of micro fuses here. And then last one in this engine bay, or the last fuse box component, is up under this cover here. We have a fuse box here too. Again, squeezing the tabs and being able to pop that out with a couple more relays and more fuses also. So that's where you find your fuse box locations, besides the large fuses that are on the top of the battery, the 12-volt battery also. But find your fuse box locations right there in case you need to track down a fuse that may have blown, or to be able to start there and then see what where your short is if you have an electrical issue. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.